So you may have just picked up your Beats headphones and you're trying to go through and figure out exactly how to go ahead and use these beautiful, beautiful headphones. Now, luckily for you, it's a very basic process and it really doesn't take too much time at all. So the first thing to understand is kind of taking a look at the standard pairs of headphones that you might have. You first need to understand that the structure is the same whether you have these headphones or even like the Power Beats. You're going to have your headphone jack in some of them. You're going to have a charging port. In this case, we have a USB Type-C charging port. We have a pairing button as well. So for most headphones, you're going to have these two buttons at the very least, a pairing button and a charging button. On these headphones, we also have buttons that allow us to click into and kind of maneuver and change our songs. So on the Power Beats, we have the ability of changing our songs. On these Beats Solos, we also have the ability of pausing a song by clicking onto the Beats button, increasing or decreasing the volume right here. We can just click up here and then down here, and it will increase and decrease the volume. You can also you can extend your headphones out by just sliding these things down. So if you want a bigger or better fit, you can bring these things up or down, depending on the side of your head. You can just kind of bring these up and down, and that's another really cool thing you have the option of doing. Now, to pair them up to your iPhone or Android phone or whatever you have, all you're going to want to do here is just to put these in the standard pairing mode. So you can go through, hold down on the pairing button on these Beats headphones, and a pop-up should automatically come up on your iPhone. Or you can also make your way over into your Bluetooth settings. So come here, tap into Bluetooth, and you should be able to see your headphones come up right there. Now, beyond that, you basically have the capability listening to songs, playing music, things like that that you normally would. You can also plug in your 3.5mm headphone jack right there and also get some capability there as well. Now, let's say you already kind of know how the headphones work. Well, you also have the capability on your iPhone to basically go through and get a little bit more capability and editing capability, even on Android phones. So on your settings app, if you're able to go through and tap onto the eye next to the headphones, you'll come into this little page, which will allow you to go through and basically get a little bit more information and edit some things of your Beats. So you can go ahead and change the name of your Beats headphones. You can also change your call controls. So if you like it, if you want it to be able to, answer call by pressing once, you can change it here, muting and unmuting any call. You have the type of capability right here to kind of, once again, change and edit it whichever way you want to. You can also show these headphones in the Find My application, the model number, expiration date. You can also disconnect and forget these, right here as well. So if you also have a battery widget, you can also see your battery life right here as well on your headphones. You'll see them in a couple places. But that is another good example of what you can kind of do here as well. That is kind of how you use your Beats headphones. They're pretty basic. There's not really anything super crazy here. And as long as you know how to kind of pair these things up, then you shouldn't really have too much trouble kind of figuring out how to use these headphones. So in terms of that basically covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.